BAOD EXTRUSION, 25 years of expertise in plastic extrusion, R&D, and design, offering exceptional plasticizing performance and stable extrusion solutions through advanced screw and mold technology. Our medical tube extrusion line features a specially designed loop vacuum calibration cooling system, maintaining accurate and stable vacuum pressure and water level for precise product formation. The coiling cooling system, arranged parallel to the vacuum tank, incorporates a winding water trough to enable triple cooling within a single tank. This significantly reduces the cooling length required for high-speed extrusion while ensuring uniform temperature control and improved product stability. The dual-servo direct drive puller ensures high efficiency and stable traction within the range of 0 to 300 m per minute. The servo-driven flying knife cutting system allows quick sleeve locking and changing, achieving ultra-fine tube cutting with high efficiency and precision. The automatic spool-changing winding machine eliminates manual spool changing. The servo-programmable system ensures neat and tangle-free winding. In 2003, BAOD Extrusion launched the first-generation SXG series precision medical tube extrusion line, overcoming multiple technical challenges. Today, our latest precision medical tube extrusion line operates at higher speeds and features comprehensive safety protection, closed-loop control, product data tracking, and error prevention, achieving a high level of automation. Our equipment ensures stable production of high-precision medical tubes. SPVC tube C6, 8*4.6 mm, 120 m per minute accuracy plus narrow, 0.5 mm. PBAX tube C2, 2*1.8 mm, 120 m per minute accuracy plus narrow, 0.3 mm. PBAX tube C0, 9*0.6 mm, 120 m per minute accuracy plus nil, 0.1 mm. Leading medical device manufacturers worldwide trust BAOD Extrusion, including B.Broncoma Disposate, Merrill Life, Poly Medicure, Epic International, ITL Healthcare, and more. BAOD Extrusion, professional, innovative, and excellent. Your best choice for precision medical tube extrusion solutions.